you stall and thread your stop. What do you do? And the trick, I mean, it isn't technically difficult. You're still doing something of an in and out, but instead of doing the traditional in and out like you would, when you do the drop stall, actually, maybe it's better to see it from this side. When you do the drop stall, once you pass it through for the first time, you go down and then you pull back behind the hand. You come up enough so that the ball can pass over the hand. So it's an ovalic sort of shape that you're making with the hand that's going up and down, and you're going around this hand that's going in and out, sort of like this. Ignoring the first drop, because you can just keep spinning this after the first drop. So once you get it on the other side of the hand, as close as you can to the hand, if you think about it as sort of this ovalic shape where you barely pass behind and then barely go over, and barely pass behind and barely go over, but you also make this bigger in and out, you have more time and drama built into it because the hand is following a bigger rotational path. Like, I'm not doing this as tight as I might normally. I might do this with like a little extra size to give it more time. The efficiency of dropping this as close to the wrist as possible really does make a difference, I think. And for added bonus points, if you want it to go faster, or let me rephrase, if you want to have an easier time with the hands that's doing the thread, you could do like a quick pinch to shorten it down just that little bit. You know, it's harder to do a bigger one because you have to follow a bigger hand path to get it all the way around, because you have to always get it up high enough to get over the wrist, right? No matter what you do. And then you can use it as just so I posted a little combo last night, which was like a drop, stop, and thread, which is like, you could just do that as like a little hook, just cause. So we were talking last session about doing a hybrid where you were doing like a 4-pedal versus a pendulum. This would be another way that you could enter it, right? So you could do a drop into it and then do that sort of thing, right? So drop, okay, you're threading, you're threading, you're threading, you drop, and then something like that.